welcome back to my channel. And of course, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this very much cute, very much natural but not natural makeup look. This has been my go-to thing for a while now, and I just wanted to share with you guys the steps, what products I use, the shades I use, everything, my lip combos, everything. I hope I can help those who aren't very into the makeup world. Doing this makeup tutorial, I realized that I'm not the best at explaining, but I did try my best. Bear with me, for real. Anyways, let's just get started with this video. I don't have to talk much. You guys already see the look, so let's get into this video. I restocked on my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I just got it. I just went to CVS and I got it because, oh my god, this is in my closet. So yeah, I just ran to CVS and I got it, but I did get a different shade. I usually use the shade Golden Caramel, so 332, but I got 334 because maybe I feel like it'll match my, it'll match me better, but now I'm not sure. We're just gonna try it on and see. Oh, and I got this e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and I got it in the shade light beige. Oh, my face is so dry, and we're just gonna see how that works. So yeah, let's just get started. I already kind of prepped my face, but I'm just gonna put some of this Clinique Moisture Surge on because I don't know, my face is hella dry, like very dry. Yeah, okay. Skin is hydrated. Ooh, I don't have earrings on. There's always something going on in LA, so but I'm just gonna start with my eyebrows. You guys, if you've watched me do my makeup before, you already know that my go-to is my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade dark brown. Just in case y'all don't know what it looks like, this is it. It's a little musty, you know, a little ugly, but that's okay. Okay, this is very close to my face, but I just want to show you guys how I do my eyebrows. So I brush them up and I take some of the dip brow and just fill it in. My eyebrows are pretty thick, so I don't do much. There we go. So you guys can kind of see the difference between this eyebrow and this one. So I'm just gonna do the same thing with this eyebrow. Fill it in a little. And some people like to do their eyebrows after their whole foundation and everything. I'm used to doing my eyebrows first, but you can do your eyebrows last if that's what you like. Everybody does things a little differently, and that's okay. So this is what my eyebrows are looking like. My eyebrows are definitely not the same shape, but that's also okay. I like to define my eyebrows, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer and define my brows with that, and I'm going to use, oh my god, it's dirty, but I'm gonna use this Morphe M432 brush to, you know, define them. Oh my god, guys, I'm so excited to try this concealer out. So I just apply some like so. Now I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and blend this out. I have one eye done, as you guys can tell. I'm gonna do my one eyebrow. So I'm gonna do this other one off camera because I feel like I need to focus, and I already showed how to do one, so I'm just gonna do the other one off camera and then I'll come back. I was like listening to some music while I was doing my other eyebrow, and that Drake Nothing Was the Same album is my fucking favorite. Like, yeah. I look crazy. Anyways. That fucking fucking album is so good. Oh, back to my makeup tutorial. I'm gonna use this Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I still don't know. I have mixed feelings about it, I'm not gonna lie, but you know, I use it because I wasted money on it, so it's not bad, but I don't know. I feel like, okay, I don't know where it is, but my Baby Skin, my Maybelline Baby Skin, oh my god, my Maybelline Baby Skin primer, like it's like a matte, I don't know, it's really good. Well, it works really well for me. I don't know other people, but it's affordable and it's good. Oh, by the way guys, the reason why I'm trying out this new concealer is because I watched my friend Valeria. I watch her. She has a makeup Instagram page and a YouTube channel and a TikTok. So yeah, she has this page on Instagram. It's called Valeria Nochera Makeup, and she does these like daily get ready with me stories, I guess, and she always uses this concealer. I just wanted to try this one out because she uses this every day, so you already know I want to try it out because why not? If you guys want to check it out, check out her page. You should definitely follow her because she's really good at makeup. She always tries out new products for people to explore and find about. That's why I'm always like trying new makeup because of her. I'll put her Instagram or whatever the fuck in the description or up here or something. I don't know, we'll see. But that's that. Back to my makeup. I've been doing something a little different now. That's why I want to do a makeup video, because there's some stuff that I don't do anymore and there's some stuff that I have brought into my makeup routine. This isn't always, this is if I'm like doing a full glam, and I feel like doing a full glam. I'm gonna do something simple, but I want that cakey face today. So I have not been sleeping well. I don't know if you guys can probably tell. When I have bags, I use this Dragon Beauty color corrector, and it just like blacks out dark spot. I put a little bit under my eyes. I said a little bit, but I actually put a lot. And then I put some here where my mustache is, and I put it anywhere I have dark spots. Now I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and blend it out. Oh, I forgot this shit dries quick. Oh my god, you guys, I forgot how quick this dries. Ah! Oh my god. This is literally dried up. Oh my god, I totally forgot. Well, now you guys know. Don't do what I do. Honestly, there was no need for me to put that much on. Literally no need for me to put this much on. So now I'm gonna take my Maybelline Fit Me why do I keep saying concealer? My Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Let's see if the shade matches me, because if it doesn't, I'm going to cry. You guys can tell the brush that I use to do my eyebrows is dirty, but that's because I dip it into my foundation and I put it on. Guys, don't do what I do, because this is not good. Not sanitary at all. I think I put too much. Okay, let's see. Time for the truth and see if the shade matches my I think it's, oh, I think I got it too orange. Yeah. This whole shade matching thing is so hard for me because my face is lighter than my actual body, so that's an issue. I'd be looking orange right now. Like, oh no, wait a minute. You guys! But this is definitely not my shade. Right now it's not my shade, but we can fix that. It's okay. I mean, it's not completely off. So now I'm gonna take this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and put it under my eyes. It's basically my skin tone. So I'm just gonna put this on first. And blend that out. Looking alright. Now I'm gonna take the, oh, you already got the lid dirty. Okay, I do not like that. I'm gonna take this Camo Concealer and on my forehead a little. Ooh, I said a little, I put a lot. No, my chin. I think that's it. And now blend that out. This is basically like trust the process right here. But it's always like that with me. I don't know. I have faith it's gonna look good. I'm just scared about this area right here. The forehead part is my biggest concern because I put a lot. Contour, I use my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Deep Dark. Deep Dark. I don't even know if you guys could read it. I do like 3 dots on my cheekbone. Is that my cheekbone? I'm so bad at explaining, but you guys understand what I mean, right? Hopefully. On my forehead. I'm not gonna do my nose. Put some here and here just because. I don't know where this brush is from. It's from Tarte, but it has no name. I just know I got it with like something. Don't remember what it was, but yeah. I'm just gonna blend that out. Makeup is a mess today, but that's okay. I don't know what happened. You guys, I swear I know how to do my makeup. I hate doing my hair before my makeup because I just ruin it. Yeah, now I'm gonna set my under eyes with my Fenty Pro Filter primer. No, Pro Filter setting powder in the shade Butter. So I'm just gonna pat real quick, you know, under my eyes. Dip and pat. Dip and pat. I love this setting powder. It literally makes me look flawless. Under eyes, who? I don't know. No, but for real, like, you see that? I'm just gonna set the rest of my face a little with some of this powder. Oh, my smile lines, those are terrible, so I'm just gonna put some there and on my chin. I'm gonna take my MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC43 and just put it on. Now, since my face is already very bronzed, I'm gonna take my Physicians Formula bronzer in the shade Deep Bronzer. What? Deep bronzer? I don't know if that's a shade, but that's what it says. This is what it looks like. And I'm just gonna put it in the areas that wow, I can't speak today. I'm gonna put it in the areas, on the areas that I contoured with the concealer. Okay, yeah. So you guys see how it's like creased on my eyelids? We're gonna uncrease that. So tap, 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 and then set. Now I'm just gonna put some blush on. I usually use my Sephora Colorful, this thing. It's in the shade Hey Jealousy. So I forgot to contour my nose, but it's kind of contoured because I did put some concealer on the top, but I'm just gonna grab some of my bronzer, brush it on my nose, like so. If I want a deep contour, I'll use my Kylie Cosmetics bronzer, which I'm gonna do right now. It's in the shade Tanned and Gorgeous. Then I'm gonna grab this sponge and I just dip it into my Fenty Pro Filter setting powder. Let that sit for a bit. So I'm gonna set my face now with my Matte Finish Matte Finish NYX or NYX Cosmetics, whatever you guys call it. Looks like so. So I'm gonna set my face with this. I like taking my beauty sponge, the side that I did not use setting powder on, and just kind of patting everything in. I'm obsessed with blush. I like to put some more blush on. I've been using this lip liner from Morphe in the shade Bite Me. It's like pretty dark. But the other day I grabbed my eyebrow pencil and I lined my lips with it. And let me tell y'all, that was a move. Okay, so that was kind of a struggle. So now I'm just gonna grab my finger and kind of blend it, I don't know, like smudge it. And now I'm gonna grab my Tower 28 lip gloss in the shade Almond. Cute. Ow, cute. And my last thing, I'm gonna take this MAC False Lashes Extreme Black mascara and put it on because I'm not gonna wear lashes. And I put mascara on my top lashes and my bottom lashes, so I'm just gonna put them on my bottom lashes real quick. Before I forget, let me put some more blush on because I told y'all I like to put blush on, so I'm just gonna put a little bit more. Ooh. Set my brows with my Anastasia setting brow gel, I think. And that is it. We are done. This makeup tutorial was all over the place, but that's just me. That's just how I am, and everything I do is kind of like that. So yeah, I'm very into this type of lip now, and I want to show you guys what it looks like when I did it with my eyebrow pencil. That looked really nice, but I really wanted to try this color because I don't know, it just looks like kind of like dark brown, and I like it. It's not bad. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Oh, I feel like it wasn't the best, but it's something. I really just wanted to do my makeup because I've been feeling kind of And I don't wear highlighter anymore because I like a really matte look now. That's okay. If you guys want to put highlighter on, do it. It looks so cute. I love it. Like, I love how it looks. But I prefer a matte look now. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Trust the process always, and whenever you feel like something is just not working out, just blend. That's all I do. I always, like, when I'm like, oh god, it looks too light, it looks too dark, I just blend that shit. So if you guys want to see more, I could do more. I don't know, let me know what you guys want to see and I'll just do it, because why not? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That's always great. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.